My phone received a WhatsApp message on Tuesday afternoon. It was a wrong number. So she said, Hi, wrong number. So sorry. I am Priya. I work in Singapore finance sector. Hope I didn't disturb you. I knew exactly what this was. I responded anyway. What followed was a 2-hour conversation that documented in full every message, every tactic, every psychological move. Because I wanted to show you their exact playbook from the inside. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every phase of that conversation, that trust building the pivot and the investment pitch, the pressure tactics and the moment they made their move. I will show you the exact language they use and why it works. And stay till the end because I'm going to tell you the one moment in that 2-hour conversation when I could have stopped the scam completely in one sentence. Most people miss this moment. Once you see it, you will never miss it again. I am Amrita Gadakar, a cybersecurity professional, and I have to be honest with you. Even knowing exactly what this was from message 1, the conversation was more sophisticated than I expected. This is not someone typing a bad English from a script. This is a structured, patient, rehearsed system run by teams, often from Southeast Asian cyber fraud compounds, who handle dozens of targets simultaneously. MHA data tells us that over 50% of cyber frauds targeting Indians in 2025 originated from high security compounds in Cambodia, Myanmar, and Laos. These are not individual criminals, they are organized operations. The playbook I am about to show you is their product, redefined, tested, effective. Act 1, the trust building phase. Message 1 was the wrong number, opener replied. No problem, easy mistake. Within minutes, Priya was asking where I was from, where I was based, what I did, whether I was a married, friendly, warm, curious. No ask, no urgency. Just conversation. Over the next 40 minutes, she shared details about her own life, her job at wealth management firm in Singapore, her boss who had taught her so much about investing, her routine of early morning workouts, all of it is designed to feel like a real person revealing themselves to build trust. I want to show you one specific message she sent because it tells you everything about how this phase works. She said, I don't usually talk to strangers online, but there is something genuine about you. That one sentence does three things simultaneously. It establishes scarcity. She does not do this often. It establishes selection. You were chosen, and it creates social obligation. She has opened up and now you feel you should reciprocate. I received 7 variations of these kind of messages in the first hour. Everyone designed to deepen the sense of a real developing connection. Act 2. The pivot under pressure. After approximately 90 minutes of conversation about life, interests, and general topics, she mentioned her boss. My boss is actually running a private investment session this week. Very exclusive. He doesn't usually allow outside people, but he said I could invite one friend if I trusted them. There it is, the pivot. Notice what happened. The investment opportunity did not come from her, it came from her boss. She is just a conduit, a trusted friend passing on something special. This removes the sense that she is selling anything. She is doing you a favor. I expressed mild interest. She immediately shifted gear. The session had limited spots. It was this week only. Her boss's returns she showed me on screenshot were 340% over 3 months. She said She had personally made 8 lakhs following his guidance. Every element of a pitch applied pressure through scarcity, authority, and social proof. The same three mechanism as the investment scam from Hyderabad. I asked to see the platform. She sent a link. The website looked professional. Charts, testimonials, and team pages with the stock photos or smiling financial advisors. A live ticker. All of it fabricated. Authoritative, scarcity, social proof. You stop thinking and start deciding. Act 3. The one moment that ends the scam. I'm going to tell you the one moment, the single moment in 2 hours where the one sentence ends this scam completely. It is not when they introduce investment. It is not when they show you the platform. It is not when they tell you the profits. It is much earlier. The moment is when they tell you it's exclusive and limited. That word, exclusive, is the first departure from the reality. Real investment opportunities do not recruit through wrong number WhatsApp messages. Real wealth managers do not give access to private sessions, to strangers, to their assistants met by accident. The one sentence, can you send me SEBI registration number for this platform? Every legitimate investment advisors and platform in India is registered with SEBI. The registration number is public and verifiable at sebi.gov.in in 30 seconds. A real advisor will send it immediately. A scammer will deflect, explain why it is not registered, or go silent. That one question in 30 seconds exposes every investment scam I have ever seen. I asked Priya for the SEBI number. She said the platform operates under international regulations and was not yet registered in India. I thanked her, ended the conversation. 2 hours, one question, zero money lost. One question that ends it. What is the SEBI registration number for this platform? Not aggressive, not accusatory, just a question any real investor would ask. A scammer cannot answer it. A legitimate platform answers it in a second. The wrong number message, the fake friendship, the exclusive opportunity, the professional looking website, none of it survives that one question. Save this question, use it, share it with one person who invests online. That is all I ask.